octal to decimal conversion. In order to convert any number into decimal, multiply each digit with its weight and then add them up. So the number given is 4057.06 base 8. We have to convert this octal number into decimal number. So write the number here. This point is called octal point. Likewise in decimal point, the point in octal number system is called octal point. Right? We have to write weights here. We have to write weights here. The weight here is 8 power 0. Since the base is 8, the powers are 8 power 0, and here the power is 8 power 1, and the power here is 8 square, and the power here is 8 cube. To the left of the octal point, we have to write positive powers of base. Here the base is 8. So 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3 we have to write here. And to the left of octal point, we have to write negative powers of base. So this is 8 power minus 1 and here is 8 power minus 2. Right? So now multiply each digit with its weight and then add them up. So 7 into 8 power 0 digit multiplied by weight, okay, plus 5 into 8 power 1 plus 0 into 8 square and then plus 4 into 8 cube, and here 0 into 8 power minus 1 plus 6 into 8 power minus 2. Okay. 4 into 8 cube is 2048 plus 0 into anything 0 plus 5 into 8 40 plus 8 power 0 means 1 into 7 7 plus 0 into anything 0 plus 6 into 8 power minus 2. Okay, the value is 0.0937. So we have to add all this. Okay, multiply each digit with its weight and then add them up. If we add this, you will get 2095.0937. This is equivalent decimal number. Okay, let us take another number. Let us take another number. 231 base 8. Right? So in decimal, what is the value? Okay, so 231 base 8. Here I didn't give any octal points, right? There is no fractional point here. So what you have to do? You have to write weights now. You have to write weights here now. Since there is no octal point, just write positive powers of 8 now. So 8 power 0. Here the place value is, the weight is 8 power 0. Why? Because the base is 8. The power is 8 power 0 will become weight. 8 power 1 here and 8 square. Now multiply each digit with its weight. 1 into 8 power 0 plus 3 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 square. Okay, 8 8 64, 64 into 2, it means 128. 128 plus 3 8 24 plus 8 power 0 means 1 into 1 1. Okay, so 128 plus 24 plus 1 is 153. 153 base 10 is the answer. Let us take another example. 241.23 base 8. We have to convert this octal number into decimal number. Okay, so what we have to do? Write the number here, 241.23, and we have to write weights here. weights to the octal point, weights to the left of the octal point must be positive powers. So the base is 8. Since the base is 8, we have to write positive powers of 8 now. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 square. To the left of the, to the right of the octal point, we have to write negative powers of 8. 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2. So now multiply each digit with a weight. 1 into 8 power 0 plus 4 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 square plus 2 into 8 power minus 1 plus 3 into 8 power minus 2. Writing 2 and 3 here with the weights, multiplied by weights. Right? So 8 square means 64. 64 into 2 will become 128 here. 128 is the answer here. Plus 8 into 4. 8 into 4, 32. Excuse me. 8 power 0 means 1. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into 8 power minus 1 is 0.25. Plus 3 into 8 power minus 2 is 0.046875. Okay, if I add all this, I'll get 0.25 plus 1 plus 32 plus 128. The answer is 161.296875 to the base 10. So this is the answer. So in order to convert any number into a decimal number system, we have to multiply each digit with the weight. Okay, for example, let us take one more problem. For example, I am giving like this: 23 base 5. I have to convert this into decimal number system. Okay, so to convert any number into decimal, what we have to do? Multiply each digit with its weight. So here 23 base 5 is the number given, so that 23 base 5, and we have to write weights here. Okay, since I am not given any penta point, okay, base 5 means penta, so there is no point here, so I have to write only positive powers as weights here. So 5 power 0, 5 power 1 will be the base here. Okay, is the weight here. So I have to take positive powers of 5 to get weight. Okay, so 3 into 5 power 0 plus 2 into 5 power 1 is the value here. So 5 power 1 means 5, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 5 power 0 means 1, 1 into 3, 3. So the value is 13 in base 10. So 23 base 5 is equal to 13 base 10. Okay. See here, to convert any number into decimal, just we have to multiply each digit with its weight and then add them up.